midget, the fugitive frauditor, to get a job. It's hilarious.
I have work to do.
Okay, then do your work. That's why you have a job too, right?
You know what that means? That means you're going to see more of me instead of less.
He just keeps getting owned by these cops. It's so fucking hilarious. That means you got a job too, right? These cops aren't taking their shit no more. These fucking baiters, these fucking fugitive frauditors. This dude rides his bicycle around the same 13 blocks. He's like, he thinks he's a fucking legend. He thinks he's actually doing good. Like, he's gonna sick his YouTube views on you, and that'll learn you. Dude never graduated fucking high school. He's a fucking loser.
You can roll up your window, bitch, but that doesn't make you protected from me.
Keep the heads ringing.